deck. This thing sounds so good and looks so good rolling y'all down the highway. We got the Saab out. We got the SC400 out. Big Money J, what up, fam?
What's going on, man? What's going on, car show, Rell?
Yo, look, man, all is good. All is good. Happy 2025 to you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know, first day of March, man. We out here.
March Madness.
Yes, sir. Yes,
We got
sir.
the twins out. Looking good on the BBSs. The coupes. The coupes. Bro, you looking good rolling, fam. That thing look good rolling.
Long time coming, man. You
Right.
know, a lot of work, like you said. Once you get one, you still gonna put money into it.
Man.
Like I said, it's a work in progress, and it's not something you can do, you know, right away overnight.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
I wanted to take my time with this. I didn't want to rush it, and I want to enjoy the build. And life is different. I got a family. Like, I ain't dumping
Right.
tons of money into the car. I'm trying to run the
Right.
business.
Exactly.
Like, things are different now. And I ain't got $1 million I can just throw at a car. I mean, you might got like
Nah.
Clean. Let's check it out. Let's check it out right quick. For those who ain't see it the last time on the video. And the mufflers, bro, this exhaust sound good. So is it where the mufflers ran from? Is it just the mufflers, or you got is it ran to the cats, or like what's the setup on that?
It's ran to the cat. So it's
Okay.
It's a double X pipe setup, kind of like they do on the Porsches or whatever.
Dope.
And I was doing some research on some videos on YouTube, and I kind of was like, I seen some of the guys that had the SCs, and they did like the double X, and they said they gave it like a real good sound and gave a little bit more performance. So I kind of, you know, went with that same setup, man. You know, spot called Extreme Exhaust over in Glen Burnie, man. Hooked me up, man. So I kind of went with them with the concept. They said, no problem, we got everything in stock, and they just got it done, man. So.
Man, that's what's up. Can we hear it a little bit? Can we hear?
Yeah, definitely.
Let's hear it bark a little bit. Bro, that sounds so good, bro. Per JDM right there.
JDM, you know, all natural aspirated, man.
Oh, check on the hood.
On the hood.
Like the Lexus plate that you got right there. These new headlights?
No,
you got them refinished?
The dude had them in there when I bought the car.
Okay, okay.
So, but I probably need to get it redone.
Got the cold air.
Running like it's supposed to, man. That's the thing, man. Clean, idling right. That took me like the hardest thing. Once I got the motor put in, because I had to put a new motor in it.
Oh, you had to put a new. That's right.
Yeah. Because the compression was blowing on, and it was like putting out these bad fumes. So once I got the motor swapped, and it was like a lot of tuning and stuff like that, and you know, the guy who put it in, he didn't have all the vacuum stuff hooked up right. If you don't got that stuff hooked up right, the car itself, it ain't gonna run right.
Yeah, that's true. No matter what you do, you're gonna be trying piece by piece. It's probably best to get a new motor.
Yeah. So, yeah, man. Like I said, the next thing I want to do is go ahead and get it painted. But like she's solid.
Yeah, bro, you ride quality, bro.
Yeah. Like I said, I want to definitely make sure. Like I said, took my time with this one. Like I said, man, it's just a small thing, man. Have you ever seen the dude over there, man, White Avenue, who got all the
I heard.
Yeah.
I heard he's on White Avenue. I never seen him.
Yeah.
I mean, I seen him. I know who he is. I just never seen outside his house. He said he got like 20 cars out there. That's crazy.
Call him the BBS God.
Yeah, he got all BBSs on it, right?
All everything.
And they all white, I heard, right?
All white.
That's
man.
crazy. That's crazy. He said, I talked to him at one of the meets. He said he got like 50 cars.
Wow, yeah.
So he got like 20, said he got half of them out at his house. Yeah. That's crazy.
Big up to him, man. I only got one.
Right. Seriously, same here. Only got one old school.
Yeah, man.
Yo, refinished, man. Refinished the outside, really. You know, the paint.
Wow.
I just got it back a couple of days ago, refinishing the bumper.
Wow.
We had to do it separate. Now that I'm looking at it, I'm looking at this now. I'll refinish that. So again, it's always something, bro. It's always something.
You might be able to do that one yourself.
I might do. Just spray that. I might have just covered it and sprayed it.
Pull them out.
Yeah.
Do that, whatever. But
Yep. Yeah. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Long time coming. This has been a 4-year build to get it this far. February of 2021 when I first got it.
Wow.
I was thinking about lowering it, but when I was
Pull over the thing.
yeah, wifey had filmed me riding, and I was seeing like the car bounce a little bit. I was like, yo, I kind of need that. I need that gap. Then it's gonna be rubbing, and cars rub. I mean, it looked good lowered, but I went through the. I know how cars ride when they rub, bro, and it ain't comfortable.
It ain't comfortable.
It look good, but it ain't comfortable.
Riding good, man. She a little quicker than I thought she was.
Oh, yo, you thought I had a slow boat.
Nah, you
thought I had a slug.
You hit it. I was like, oh man, we going.
Yeah. I mean, it's a 5-speed, so it got a little bit. It ain't nowhere near as fast as that.
It's
But
quick, though.
it's alright. It's alright. You got the cross drilled and slotted. They cross drilled and slotted. Dope. We done pulled up to Pier 5 downtown Baltimore, and it feels good out here. It's like 50. It's a little windy, but it feels all right, man. We were turning heads coming down here, y'all. Yeah, the two whips, they definitely look good. Man, they building all types of stuff down here. All types of stuff. That's new right there, the Avalon, or it's new to me. Yep. So we at the, y'all see it in the back, Pier 5 Hotel, Pier 5. And yeah, we just pulled up down here to park right quick. Get a quick little shots of these cars with the, you know, nice scenery in the background. Take a look at that. So I can post up on Instagram and, you know, a little bit of content, because I ain't been dropping no content in a bit, y'all. Story time with Rell coming soon. But yeah, we just gonna chill out, enjoy this little bit of good weather. I'll be back in a bit.
Appreciate it, brother.
Yo, this is why we do it. This is why we do it, yo.
Yeah.
That's why we do it. We do it for the culture, bro. It's the culture. I appreciate them, man. This what I grew up watching on the porch. You know, my uncles, my cousin, my older cousins, you know, even my aunts had flower whips, and I was like, yo, when I get older and get my car, I'm gonna have my ish. But now once you get older, you're like, yo, I want to kind of go back to my roots. What got me into the game. So definitely appreciate those guys. Yeah, we getting all types of love down here.
Dream car.
Yeah, right.
You gotta definitely put them
I gotta put the emblems back on.
Yeah.
Y'all look, I gotta put the emblems back on. I gotta put the emblems back on.
You going after like trying like change it up a little bit or whatever.
Got go OEM.
Original OEM.
Yeah.
Definitely put them in there.
Yeah, you sold out. Yeah. And the sheeps. I wanted the sheeps bad. Oh, I wanted the Sheeps bad. That was my number one, was the Sheeps. But they wanted Grand Form. I'm like, I ain't got that. I gotta put that into the car, getting running right. Let's go with these seat colors for now. But yeah, they look good, bro. They look good on that wood grain steering wheel. This aftermarket, right? I mean, not aftermarket, but
from
my RX. Yeah. So they don't come like this? Ooh. Woo.
That's 10, right?
Yeah, 10, yep, same size. That thing hit though.
I want to upgrade my amp because sometimes it's cutting out on me, so.
What watt is this?
I think it's like 1,000.
1,000?
Yeah, 1,100, something like that. I don't know.
But that's probably max.
Yeah, it's max. So I need to get something that's gonna be able to handle this.
Yeah. That's probably that's a L7?
I think so.
I think it's the L7.
Solar Bird,
Yeah, Solar Bird L7 10-inch. So that one probably, I think yours is like 1250, either 1250 or 1,000 max. But like RMS is like 7. Yeah, like 706 or something like that. All right, y'all, wind up dropping the top. We about to roll out here. This will be the first time we dropping the top since a long time, since the summer. We got that Larry Dream bumping. All right, we out of here, y'all.